Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Weight Loss channel. How Octavia Spencer lost her weight. What Octavia Spencer used for her magical weight loss. For movie fanatics out there, you probably remember Octavia Spencer in her award-winning performance in The Help. Well, not only is this 46-year-old an incredible actress, but she is a beauty as well thanks to her magical weight loss. Since her starring The Help, this American actress, producer and author has also had roles in a number of projects including Insurgent and Instant Fam, as well as having her voice in the animation Zootopia. Having been impressive in the screens and winning an Academy Award for her role The Help, the American actress has recently turned heads by losing a whopping 2 stone 2 pounds, and she looks amazing. Her incredible weight loss transformation has had people discussing in the corridors and whispering to each other how exactly she was able to pull it off. Good thing the actress is not secretive about how she managed to lose all that weight and is willing to share. She has recently opened up to her social media followers about the diet that she used to slim down and have jaws dropping at her divanas, for lack of a better word, and pardon the English. The magical weight loss has made the actress so confident that now she is able to show off her arms. She recently told her followers that she never really shows off her arms but would do so as a one-off to show her tremendous transformation. You might be thinking that that is little progress, but believe me, any progress in the journey of weight loss is something to be proud of. If you are on the journey and see the difference in an old dress or loose-fitting pants that used to be tight, it's worth shouting to the whole world, and this is what Octavia chose to do. She chose to celebrate her magical weight loss with her fans on Instagram and even showed some arm proof. The actress showed off her arms while on a lunch break in her trailer, and I can only imagine the excitement that she was going through to warrant her running to Instagram at that time. In her post, she continues to say that despite working out all the time, the cellulite in her arms had been there for several years and has not budged until recently. Now you can imagine the excitement of not showing off your arms for many years and then suddenly being able to do so. It is quite something, isn't it? In her post, she goes on to tell her followers of the changes that she has made, including perform-inspired supplements, balanced nutrition and the right workouts. She also goes on to invite her followers to share their success stories irrespective of how small they are. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and hit the subscription bell to be notified whenever new content is published.